Hey SBR Nation, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't know me, my name is Roena Robinson and I am your SBR queen. SBR simply means Styled by Roena. Do check us out on IG at Styled by Roena, and you can follow my personal page as well, Roena_Robinson. I did an eyebrow tutorial already, but that was just like an exaggerated eyebrow tutorial. Today I want to do a normal eyebrow tutorial, so I'm going to use a pencil this time as well, and I hope that you guys enjoy up close and personal. If I look down, my mirror is down here. Okay, these are my natural eyebrows now. I've just shaved them. What I use to shave them is this, yeah, that. Okay, I'm brushing the hairs up in the shape that I want them to be, yeah? And I'm gonna do that to both sides. I'm gonna take the pencil, draw a line on the hair. Do you see the difference? This is filled, this is not. I haven't carried this up here because I want it to have a natural look. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. They're thick as hell. Don't worry, we're gonna take this one down. Don't worry about it. Right, so with this one, I'm just gonna brush it out a bit. And I'm gonna use, you should all know this by now, like they need to sponsor me at this point because this is all I use. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal and it's in the shade Fawn. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and I'm going to clean up. You want to do on the top as well. I use the same thing on the top. Have you guys been loving like my short videos? Let me know my shorter videos because I've been doing dedicated videos. I've done like how to do your eye lashes, check that out. I've done like how to do eyebrows, two-tone eyeshadow. So let me know if you like the shorter dedicated videos, or let me know if you want to see a full thing. So before you come at me, I have indeed recorded the full makeup look for this video that will be coming next, okay? Shout out time. So let me just go back to my latest video. Applied Amazon strip lashes using duo glue. Guys, I was looking through my comments and realized that nobody included hashtag SBR Nation in their comments. I'm just gonna shout out everyone who commented on the video, to be fair. So Mighty Sue, big of yourself. Rhea Sunshine, go check her channel out, guys. She is also one of my YouTube friends. Yeah, her channel is lit. So Rhea Sunshine, big up, big up. Little Boutique, she says, beautiful as always. I've been using lashes a lot more recently and I'm finding them easier to apply. And that's facts. The more you apply lashes, the more you get used to it, the more you just pop them on. You see that I just popped them on. Trust me. Like 2 years ago, I had no clue how to do lashes. So just watch my tutorials, man, and start practicing. Rebecca Lee, hi girl. You look stunning. I definitely needed to watch this. I'm glad that you enjoyed. Damien Whittingham, hi Damien, you're always commenting on my stuff, so thank you so much for the love every time. Tyrese, Ty Get It, I absolutely love your comments, the ones that you have on my main channel. Guys, if you don't follow me on my main channel, what you doing? You come find out more about your girl. Like on here, I just do makeup stuff and fashion stuff. I haven't done a fashion video in a minute. I need to do one soon, guys, soon. But yeah, especially on my main channel, like Tyrese, you have been absolutely killing the comments and I appreciate it for that, so thanks. Tech Lead Bull, big up yourself. You're always dropping by, always showing love that for me and for you. Lacole, thank you for commenting, darling. Tyrese commented again. He said, very talented, your eyelashes are dope. Here's the thing why I absolutely enjoy like going through my comments. I'm seeing men, right? And these are makeup videos, okay? You see, on my main channel, I can understand if men comment. But on my makeup channel, for you to sit down and watch and be like, oh yeah, man, your eyelashes are dope and your application is good and stuff like that. Like that, to me, is... I love that. That shows me that you're showing me love. Like, because you're a guy in it. You don't need to sit down and watch my makeup videos. Like, you know, because the stigma is there that, oh, guys are not into makeup and stuff. So for guys to be sitting down watching and saying and commenting and stuff like that, I appreciate you guys so much, man. And then the last one is Mike Urbano. So yeah, all you guys, big up. But make sure that for the next time you include hashtag SBR Nation, okay? Make sure you following me on Instagram, man. Okay? And make sure that you share this video later. Bye.